Hey guys, welcome back to Brickstreet's official YouTube channel. Today we are doing another unboxing, which is Decent Biometric hardware wallet. This is the only hardware wallet which has a biometric authentication. And if you are interested in buying this hardware wallet or any kind of hardware wallet, you can directly go to our website, that is brickstreet.in. The links will be in the description. Without further ado, let's begin the unboxing. Talking about the packaging, it has a plastic coating on it. Now let's cut off everything, the seal and everything, and let's see what is there. Let me cut off the plastic and show it to you. Decent has pretty much work on their packaging part because they have given this plastic kind of thing. And here is the actual box. Like, it has a matte finish, still same, and this Decent logo it's like very shiny if you can see on the camera. And here the seal should be impact whether you buy any kind of hardware wallet. You have to check the seal, and on this on the seal they have actually written it, do not use if the seal is broken. So this is a message which Decent has given. That is a good thing. And nothing much on the box. It's look very simple and it's very decent actually. So let's cut the seal and we'll show you what's inside. Okay, so let's cut this seal. Oh, the box is pretty much tight. Here what we have is the user manual, I think. Okay, it's a getting started guide. If you see, here are the Decent components which we get. It is a product warranty card. If you see, the specification have been written on it, and here is the seed phrase recovery sheets they have given. This is the device, how it looks. Compact in hand, same. Let's keep it aside. Let's see what else is there. So here we have a micro USB cable. There is no micro type C, you can say. Let's keep, there is nothing much. Let me see. There is nothing inside. Let's keep everything aside. We have the device in hand, and they have pretty much worked very good on the device. Here you can see they have given a plastic coating so that any kind of dust or any kind of damages doesn't give a scratch on the display or either on the biometric connectivity. Back side, if you see, there is a matte finish, Decent logo, and everything is described, the battery and everything is written on the back. And IO Trust on the top. IO Trust, like, it's a steel material, steel kind of material, you can say. IO Trust, I believe, is the company name. And on the front it has a display, and on just below the display they have a navigation keys and a OK button, and on the center they have a biometric. We'll start the device and show it to you. Once again, the device has not been charged. The power supply, let me show it to you in this video as well. There is the power key on the right side. If you press it, it won't turn up because they don't charge the hardware wallets usually. You need to charge it by whenever you open the box. So make sure you charge the device whenever you buy a new hardware wallet and then access it, so that you can use it for few days as well. So guys, here we are back and the device is fully charged right now. We'll start up the device and connect it with our Android phone. You can also connect it with your iOS device as well. We'll power it up. Okay, the device is starting right now. It's showing my Decent. The same thing, select the languages whatever you want as per your understanding. We'll select English. Here is the navigation keys. Accordingly you can do the process. Okay, here are two options, create wallet and recover wallet. We'll select on create wallet, and you have to enter a pin. Enter a new pin, whatever pin you can add, like you as per your understanding. Do remember that, don't forget it. So we'll add the pin. Okay, the security pin is ready. Now it's asking for enroll your finger, as it is a biometric wallet, so you need to like you have to enroll your fingerprint, whatever finger you would like to enroll. Will enroll my fingerprint first. Okay, and once this is done, it will ask you to verify your finger once again. Okay, now you have to write these seed phrases on a piece of like whatever paper they have given, Decent has given. So it's processing the seed phrases, and you have to write it down. And do remember, don't lose your seed phrases because it's an important part with your hardware wallet. And I'll write down the seed phrases. It's showing to me right now. I'll write it down and get back and show you the further process, what has to be continued. Now I have completed writing down the seed phrases, as you can see, and I have to verify it with my device. Okay, the seed phrases are verified. It took me a bit long to verify the seed phrases. Now we'll connect it with the Android device and show it to you. Let's go to account. Please add an account in the app. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll connect it. We have the Decent app in our device, and we'll select. There are two options. Either it is a biometric wallet or a card wallet. Now we have a biometric hardware wallet, so we'll click on biometric hardware wallet, and we'll set up the register your password. It's showing, so quickly I'll register my password, and here we are in the app. It's showing now loading. Only thing you need to do is connect your device with Bluetooth, and it will sync accordingly. We are finding your device. Okay, it's syncing with the wallet and it's now connected. So here we have successfully connected, and in this you can add the account. There are multiple cryptocurrencies you can add accordingly, whatever you have, and here is the account in that. So if you add the account in this wallet on the mobile app, and it will eventually show it in your hardware wallet. So this is how the process was. That's all for the unboxing part and the connecting the wallet with your mobile app. We'll discuss it in much detail in upcoming videos. So that's all for this video. We'll see you in the next one.